Summertime is when all the barbecue invites get on the calendar. Before you think there can't possibly be healthful, plant-based options at a barbecue, guess again. I'm going to show you how to make 2 impressive recipes that will be sure to please the crowd. First off is, how are we going to replace those hot dogs? Well, we've got this fantastic recipe for a carrot dog. You're going to take 1 carrot and shape it just like you would a hot dog, just cut it up a little bit so that it's got a nice round edges. And we're going to put this in a marinade. That marinade is just going to be garlic, liquid smoke, rice vinegar, and soy sauce, so that you've got all that nice salty, tangy, and smoky flavor that you would find in a hot dog. You want to let that sit in the marinade with the carrots for about 3 to 4 hours, and at most 1 day, because the longer you let it sit, the more vinegary it's going to taste. So once you're ready to cook it, you want to get that grill hot and really throw those carrots on the grill so they can get a nice grill mark. So these are going to be the perfect opportunity to then add whatever toppings you'd like. We've got some delicious sprouts. Again, some nice green vegetables in there. We've got alfalfa here. And we also have pea sprouts. These are really crunchy and flavorful. And tomatoes are always nice, really great topping. Of course, some relish if you like that. Really flavorful and green. Again, adds a little bit of a sweet finish here. But we need some more color. So we got some crunchy purple and red cabbage here. Yum. Right on top. And last but not least, some people like a little bit of raw red onion. So why not bring up the flavor on that one here? If you're a mustard person, here you go. We've got a nice drizzle of mustard right on top here as well. But you can do ketchup here as well if you want to. I even like to throw in a little bit of bean chili for a nice chili dog. So we've got these carrot dogs. These look awesome. People are going to be really excited to eat these. Next up, here's our pasta salad. We already cooked the pasta. It's 1 box of bow tie pasta. I'm going to toss this in the bowl. Easiest recipe you could possibly make. So we got sun-dried tomatoes. These add a lot of really good flavor and some lycopene, which is a really healthy antioxidant. But we need some more flavor without a ton of added fat that you typically see in a pasta salad. So we have fresh herbs. We have parsley and some basil. Really great Italian flair. But we need some more vegetables as well. So we've got some red bell pepper already chopped, in addition to green onion as well. Sometimes you can hear this as scallions. Artichokes always add a really nice flavor to your dish. So we're going to add those. These were just canned in water. And of course, we need some legumes for some extra protein, fiber, and zinc. So we're doing red kidney beans today. So we're going to toss that together. And to add just a little bit more flavor, go ahead and pick out a low-fat Italian dressing here, just about a cup. And then you can put this in the fridge for a little bit so it's going to have a nice flavor and allow that development to occur. We've got this beautiful pasta salad to impress all of your guests. So check this out. Really yummy and delicious. All right, so you might wonder, what about some other recipes out there? We've got a lot of other ones there to keep your guests happy. So how about a portobello burger? This is the easiest veggie burger that you could possibly make. It's 1 ingredient and won't fall apart on you. We also have potato salad, but without that usual egg-based mayo, so that you can taste all the delicious vegetables and have a nice crunchy salad, along with some grilled veggie kebabs and minted fruit kebabs, because who doesn't love food on a skewer? Lastly, we have chickpea salad rolls, perfect finger food. So go on and keep it healthy and fun with these summer recipes.